MLA ka National People Party ubalong ru sembut menteri rangba ka jelau ba PRESTONE tensong menta ka singi ka arpenyo tarik risau ula kentaj ya ka khubor bau Dr. di LAPANG ula apan ino ya ka parti NPP. Da ka ba uloong bakamdon ka jing shisha bau Dr. di LAPANG uni ya ka parti NPP HYNREI uniene be bat ka parti NPP ba ulai thu ru bana kaliang u Dr. di LAPANG ulada penong yu ba onom ya ka parti NPP HYNREI uniene HADUH ka bakun. Laban kedaw hangni bau Dr. di LAPANG ubalong unong ilam barang ba jong ka SENG Kongres House 6 Arhajar Khatpra ulai no ka parti Kongres bat la penyaso elade ba ka parti NPP. Bat hakini ki kendiat sengi layu bau Presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ula penpau baka don ka jingsha penbor ban kro biang yau Dr. di LAPANG ban pai biang sya ka SENG Kongres. Habak lipat yu ba PRESTONE laun lek pai biang sya ka parti Kongres ne unye sa bet ber ka parti NPP na kaliang ka jong uloong ba kwa syu ban lek pai sya ka parti Kongres namar baka Kongres kaladei kaling kabalajan ngam la kadei hakan national lane haka jella. Ula benrap susu daga baong badang hakini ki kendiat sengi la ya ka kerwo jong ka Presiden ka AICC ka Sonia Gandhi ha ka ba la penpau baka don ka jingye per hapo ka AICC ru.
That is not true. I'm telling you, it is not true. Dr. Didi LAPANG is very much with us, and now he's old, and he already told me also, I will never leave NPP till the end. I will never go back. See, Congress Party is a sinking ship right now. Be it national, be it the state, I'm telling you, it's a sinking ship. We have seen it. Even I think you must have seen the statement given by Honorable AICC President, Madam Sonia Gandhi, recently. She said, yes, there are a lot of differences within the ICC level. She admitted it. And forget about the state. State, you have seen it. Even the president, new president, MPC himself, he admitted that maybe there's some differences between me and Dr. Mukul Sama. I'll try to meet him this. Is it not?